We are collecting responses with Typeform, and the easiest way to track them is by collating responses to Excel. But to get responses in Excel, we have to select them and then download as Excel file. If we are receiving real-time responses all the time, then we might miss them when we are updating Excel sheets manually. So let's start. Click on New Journey. We have to select Typeform as a trigger. As we want data from newly submitted form, select New Form Response as trigger event. Now we have to connect to Typeform. Click on Create New Connection. Name the connection and click on Link an Account. A new window will pop up. Click on Accept to establish the connection. Then select the form from which we have to gather the data. In steps, we have to add responses in Excel row. Select Microsoft Excel. Choose Add Row as action. Enter name for the connection. Then click on Link an Account. Again, you see a window popping up. Enter the credentials, then click on Next to establish the connection. Now, select the worksheet ID. Then, select the table. Now, add data from Write Data Tree. We are ready with our journey. Save changes, then click on Start Journey. To check output, we have to submit a Typeform response. Enter the details. Once submitted, visit Quickwork Journey Builder to check journey execution. As a journey is executed successfully, go to Excel sheet. You'll see data has been added to the row. So in this way, we can integrate Typeform and Microsoft Excel using Quickwork Journey Builder. To know more and get help in building automation workflow journeys, visit quickwork.co.